What's happening, recteq family? Ray Carnes, co-founder of recteq Grills. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna make a video of how I like to carve my Thanksgiving turkey. I hope you like it. What we're gonna do first is I use a little paring knife here, and we're gonna cut off the thighs and legs. We're gonna use this cool cutting board that has bulls on it, bull theme, representing the recteq here. Put those down like so. And then I like to break the wings off. Put them in here. And then what I'm gonna do with this paring knife is I'm gonna fillet each breast off and put it on the cutting board and then cut it vertically like that. I like to do it this way because each bite gets a little piece of skin versus cutting it off the breast that way, where the first one has all the skin. So this is my favorite way to do it. I saw this on the Food Network years ago, and I started doing it that way, and I've never looked back. Look how moist that is. We used our Ultimate Blend pellets, which is red oak, white oak, and hickory pellet. And from there, I take the two breasts, and we're just gonna, once we get those off, let me get this little piece of that wing off that was stuck on there. And this is what I was talking about. Each piece has a nice piece of that skin on there, which is the best part. And that's why I like cooking at 350 the whole way, because it gives you a nice, crispy, beautiful, beautiful skin. And we used our barbecue rub, recteq's barbecue rub on this skin. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the other breast. All right, so we got a plate here. And this cool cutting board came from Signature Mike in Evans, Georgia, man. He has some awesome stuff. He's on Fierce Ferry Road, check him out. But we got our gravy made. That's in a previous video. Be sure to check it out. Hit that subscribe button. But check this out. It doesn't get any better than that. That is on point. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the recteq.